everybody. Today we will express fractions as multiples of unit fractions. First thing, you might be like Andrew and saying, hey, what is a unit fraction? So let me explain to you what a unit fraction is. A unit fraction is any fraction with a numerator of 1, like 1/2, or 1/4, or 1/3, or 1/8. So a unit fraction simply has a numerator of 1. Now let's take a look at 2/4, and we're going to express this as a multiple of a unit fraction. So the unit fraction, of course, would be 1/4, and we would just simply multiply it by 2. Let me explain to you why. Because when we multiply fractions, we multiply them. I'm going to write 2 as 2 wholes, or 2 ones. We multiply the numerator by the numerator, so 2 times 1 is 2, and 1 times 4 is 4. So that's why 2 times 1/4 is equal to 2/4. So your answer for number 1 will be 2 times 1/4. Now let's look at another one. So now we're going to look at 4/6. And 4/6 equals 4 times 1/6. So this is your answer for number 2. Now you have the first 2 done for you. Give the rest a try, and good luck.